We are in the Pampora, Kareva and saffron fields. And in the agriculture fields, we have come across very unique flower which belongs to buttercup family, Ranunculus. And if you look closely, you will find more than 10, 12 petals, orange, yellow. And then in the center, you have a dark eye. Center is dark colored. And leaves are much dissected, unlike any buttercup. So this character, much dissected leaves, looks like as if it is a leaf of fennel. But this is not fennel. Because the umbellifers in fennel or coriander, we have the flowers growing in an umbel cluster. So here flowers are single. They are not in umbellate clusters. So this is from buttercup family, Ranunculus member, and popularly named as pheasant's. Pheasants are very beautiful game birds, to which even our national bird, peafowl, belongs. We have Kokola's pheasant, we have Tragopan, we have Monal pheasant. They are threatened birds and quite magnificent. They are known for brilliant colors. So because of brilliant flower in this particular herb, this has also been named popularly as pheasant's eye flower. And botanically speaking, this belongs to the genus Adonis. Adonis estivalis. And this flower, because of drastic land use changes in Kashmir Valley, and we have also diverted our agricultural land for other purposes, some here we are losing this beautiful herb, which is Adonis pheasant's eye or Adonis estivalis. And this unique flower we have come across, at least I have come across for the first time in Pampora, this Kareva, very near to a walnut tree. So this is walnut tree, and under this we have a very good population of pheasant's eye or Adonis estivalis. So you will focus on its architecture and try to focus, see so many petals. Petal number is more than 5. It can be, you can count, you can help me how many they are, but I think they are more than 8 at least, or maybe 10. What is the number of these orange red petals?
It's 12.
12. So number is more than 8 or up to 12. So this is a unique flower, Adonis estivalis, which I have photographed, or I am making its video for the first time in my life. I haven't come across this pheasant's eye, beautiful Adonis estivalis plant from the Ranunculus family. And nearby we are also seeing the another plant which is edible and made use of even as a herb, as a cooked as vegetable. This is henbit. In popular name is henbit. Otherwise called botanical is Lamium amplexicol. So here leaves are without any stalk. So stalkless, sessile leaves, opposite, and flower is from mint family. So mint like flowers, but they are magenta or purplish pink. Again this herb is very unique, and this blooms during spring. But most beautiful plant which we have come across in these fields, growing along with Adonis estivalis, are the wild tulips. So you are able to see the very magnificent red tulips. So this particular tulip is also unique to Kashmir, which grows in the naturally in these fields. And this is the tulip. This tulip is unique to Kashmir with dark, you can say, center and 6 tepals. Outer 3 tepals, they correspond to sepals, and inner one correspond to the petals. And this is very unique tulipa species which is found in the Kareva lands, or the saffron land which is put to saffron cultivation. Here we find another tulip also, which is found in Jammu also. This is lady tulip or Tulipa clusiana, variety stellata. So they are growing here in wild. But along with the Adonis estivalis, we also see the this is Ranunculus arvensis or spiny buttercup. And here we have the Ranunculus arvensis. Here we have Adonis estivales. Here we have Tulipa clusiana, variety stilata, and here is another Kashmir tulip, which is basically a Central Asian flower, and it also seen growing in wilderness in Pampora, Kareva. And you see this whole, is it a, which crop there? This we see even peas and not wheat. Is there a wheat also? Only peas. So the crop which is under cultivation here, that is Pisum sativum, common pea. But in this you see plenty of wild tulips. And another plant which I have just come across. Oh, so you see this is another wild allium. This is jungly pyaz. This particular plant, allium, I think a species we have to see, and further I will try to understand which species. But this is wild allium. So maybe allium rubellum. I am not sure whether it's allium rubellum or some other species. So this is the way we should conserve our local flora, or rather the forgotten flora, which we are forgetting. And moreover, I came across here one of the unique flower which is known as tekbatane. Tekbatane was also growing just a few feet away. I saw that also for the first time in my life. That is anemone tessenjai, previously named as anemone biflora, and that is known for the presence of two flowers in one herb, and that was in another location nearby. So that was also unique, which we find mentioned in Mahjur's poetry. In fact, Mahjur's poetry mentions two flowers which are unique to the landscape of Kashmir. One is Virkium or Virkim Posh, Colchicum luteum, and another is Tekbatane, which is called as anemone tessenjai, or previously it was named as anemone biflora. So everywhere you see, but the magnificent red tulips, they are unique to the landscape of Pampore. So I am accompanied with Nadeem Qadri.
Thank you very much, sir, for
and since 2011, I think we have been associated in Tree Talks, and this particular visit in the company of Nadeem Qadri, I think I am benefited to see for the first time these 2-3 flowers. One is Tekbatane, another is Pheasant Sai, and then this red tulips, which in other landscape we just visited Pulwama area also, we couldn't see. So this much diversity is unique to Pampora, I think, saffron fields, and let us preserve this for posterity. And even students, I think they should come and visit and see these unique flowers which find inclusion or mention in our literature and culture.
And that's what we are thankful to you for sparing some time from your busy schedule. That is the idea about the Nature University, to keep everything open for people to explore and enjoy. And today it was a new experience for me to see first time the Tekbatane. Otherwise, being a lawyer, I always try to learn from Tree Talks. I think this has been a very beneficial day for all of us.
Even I saw Tekbatane for the first time in my life. I have seen its photographs, but I have not seen myself in the field. So it was a very useful day for me.
It was very important. Yeah, it's a small token of love from our side.
So nice. I'm really feeling so much indebted to you for this beautiful bouquet of red tulips from Pampore wetlands.
Thank you very much.
So I think this is unique. Yes. And this just come closer. So these are the tulips. And if you see, we have so heavy rush. People are coming to see the tulip garden.
We have the natural tulips.
You have the natural tulips. So if we preserve the landscape, then we will preserve the unique flowers.
Exactly.
And this is the natural heritage. And I think even younger generation, they need to leave their inside rooms and indoor studies, and sometimes find time to have the nature study, and coming to such places where you see the wilderness, and in that wilderness the unique flowers, and many flowers are endemic to your Kashmir.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much for this. We were honored, sir. Thank you.